Is a Mr. Roblox Raptor 359. We're at Foam Wash. We're gonna get the top wash, Dad, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna do the revisit of the Foam Wash in Balmville.
Balmville.
I mean Balmville. Okay. Let's see the wash packages. We have the best for 20, the better for 16, and the good for 12. We're gonna go with the best wash, okay? Let's go with the best wash. Right, Dad?
Right, Mix.
Okay, let's wait for the line. Okay, we're here. Already. The best wash costs $20. The best wash costs $20. That's ready. Best wash we're getting. Ready? Can we get the best wash? Best wash, please.
Can I get for you?
The $20 wash.
20?
Yeah.
All right. Neutral.
Yep.
Have a great day.
All right, cool, man.
Ready? Here we are. Oh, put on your wipers.
No, can't.
Oh, we got the best wash for $20. Ready? Here we go. Here comes hot pre-soak. Body wash right there. Here comes the brushes. Here comes the other brush. And here comes the brushes. Here comes the Hot Wax Shine right there. And here comes the middle curtain right there. And here comes Rain-X. Here comes the rinses. And here comes the dryers. Here comes the dryers. And here comes Dry and Shine right there. Here comes. We're going one brush, a second brush, and here comes the top brush. Missed it, and here comes Tires Shine right there. And we're waiting, and there, this is a nice job. It did a nice job so far. And here we go. Wait, and ready to go. And let's see. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.